Is your iPhone touch feeling too slow or too fast? If you're facing touch sensitivity issue, let's see how you can fix it on your iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone running with iOS 26. So first you have to open up your settings, then go to accessibility, and now under touch, you will find the haptic touch option. If it's set to fast, your iPhone touch might feel too sensitive, or if it's set to slow, it will respond much slower than normal. So make sure it's set to default. Once you have done that, just go back from here, and now under touch accommodation, check two key settings, touch accommodations and hold duration. Because if they're on, your iPhone can feel slower or less responsive. So you have to turn this off for sure. And that's it. After these tweaks, your iPhone will feel quicker, smoother, and more responsive, making everyday use faster and easier. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.